If you want to make your photo look like this tutorial is made for you. Hey guys, I'm Sachin Chaturvedi. In this video, I'm going to explain neon glow effect and dual exposure effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. We'll make selection of the path by using pen tool. Press P on your keyboard to select pen tool. To make the curves on the edges, just click and drag to the another point. And if you want to change the direction of the curves, just click back to the previous point by holding Alt key. These tiny dots are called anchor points, and after making a clone shape, you can make the changes to the shape by using these anchor points. I'm using pen tool for a better and smooth selection of the subject. If you're running out of time, you can also try magnetic lasso tool for a quick and easy selection. Because it's gonna take time, always draw at the inner side of the edge, and if you make any mistake, press Ctrl Z to go back to the previous point. You gotta have patience while using pen tool because a bad selection can ruin your artwork. Draw it very carefully without leaving any edges. Just like this, and get that out of the way. Just click and drag to the another point. Click back to the point by holding Alt key and repeat the process. So we have made a close shape of the subject. Now we'll apply brush stroke to the shape. For that, just change the background color to pink. Now go back to the brush tool. Select soft rounded brush and change the size according to your preferences. Now go back to the pen tool, right click on the pen tool. Select stroke path and select brush. Hit OK. Convert the brush stroke layer to smart object. Now go to filters, blur, Gaussian blur and set it to 29 pixels. Hit OK. Now go back to brush tool. Select hard rounded brush. Choose the size according to your preferences. Now go back to pen tool, right click, stroke path, brush stroke, hit OK. Duplicate the smart object layer. Right click on the shape and make selection. Now create a mask to the subject. Click on this mask icon, right. Add a new adjustment layer, change the color to purple and press OK. Now place it under the subject layer. Now we need to import a building image. Unlock this layer and place it to the original file. Press Ctrl T to resize. Resize it according to that of the mask layer. Increase its height and place it accordingly. I think it's fine. Select the mask and drag it to the upper layer by holding Alt key. Now we have created another mask. Name this layer as buildings and this layer as subject. Now select the buildings mask. Select the brush tool. Make sure that the foreground color is black. Increase the size. Size should be way too bigger. And erase part of her face. When you are using brush tool on the mask, it will work as an eraser, but make sure that the foreground color is black. And now we are done. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel and like this video.